Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Berez, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this brand called Jing. I'm going to do an unboxing and review. So I actually never heard of this brand before, and the brand actually reached out to me. So I went on the website, and everything on the website is so cute, and I love the price point. It's a reasonable price point, and I was looking at a few items and I was like, oh my gosh, like this is a really good brand that I want to share with you guys. So they sent me this box. It's quite big. I did pick out each and every one of these pieces, so this is definitely what I would pick from the website. I want to show you what I order, how it fits on me, because I feel like sometimes when you order from a brand that you never ordered from before, sizing might be hard. And also, I'm not a size small. I'm more of a size medium large, and I feel like when I watch hauls myself, I never see people trying on with my size and my body type. So I hope this brings a new angle to trying on clothes, because I am not a size 2, 4, 6. I'm an 8 or a 10. So let's get into it. So the first piece, by the way, I did forget what I ordered, so this is also like a surprise for me too. This looks like a blazer. I think I'm really excited about this. So they come in these like nice bags. Okay, so this first piece is a blazer jacket. It's in a really nice material. I ordered a size medium. Nice details here as well. And that Jing's style is very much towards like the working woman. So they have a lot of trousers, blouses, really cute. The jackets, you have to check. The jackets are so cute. So a lot of like workwear, and they also have really cute summer dresses and dresses. So I hope this fits. This looks so cute. I am going to try this on and tell you guys my thoughts. So this is what the jacket looks like on. I'm obsessed with it. It's so cute. There is a lower button you can button up, or if you'd like, you can just leave it open, which I like. You can dress this up or down, and I must mention that the inside has a really nice lining. This is a perfect jacket for nearly everything. It's so versatile, and I absolutely love the pattern. Just one thing to note, the pockets are fake, so that's a thing. However, I still love it anyway, and I can't wait to wear it. This jacket is actually 45% off right now, so be sure to click the link below to get yours. This next piece is, okay. This next piece is a blouse, and it has a high neckline. This is my favorite neckline. I think it's so sophisticated. Wearing a high neck, in my opinion, it's super sexy, just because it's showing, it's very like Victorian, and it's my favorite neckline. And it has these beautiful balloon shaped sleeves. And as you can see, this is see-through, and it also comes with a black, silky blouse to wear under it, and you just wear it underneath this. This I'm excited about. The material also feels really nice. Like it feels like a nice blouse. And also to note, tag on the neckline isn't here, so you won't see it when on your back. It's hidden. I'm obsessed with this sleeve. So let me try it on and see how it fits. Alright, so here is the blouse on. This is a size medium, and obviously I'm having way too much fun with the sleeves. I love the fit and feel of this blouse. It's super comfortable and stylish. You can wear this with so many different outfits. And can we talk about this high neck? Is it just me, or do you love a high neck as well? I think it's just amazing. I think this would look super cute with a pony or bun hairstyle, and I'm just obsessing over this cute top. Alright. Oh wow. Really nice. This is the next jacket that I ordered. It's like a menswear like blazer jacket, so it kind of has like a mix of both. The material is like this really pretty like houndstooth. It almost looks a little gray. It's on the gray bluer side than I thought it would be, but yeah, it's really nice. Again, there's 2 buttons that clasp, and this actually looks like a good size. I ordered a medium. Also, this is like the perfect jacket to wear when it's like not too cold out and you want to look stylish, but you don't want to wear like your winter jacket or like a jean jacket. So this to me will make any outfit really more dressed up. And yeah, I'm loving this jacket. I'm loving it. There's also some padded shoulders on it, and yeah, I'm gonna try this on and see how I like it. Trying on jacket number 2, and I'm obsessed. This jacket feels a bit heavier than the plaid, and it has real pockets, which is a plus. It has an oversized, relaxed feel, and you can roll up the sleeves if you wish. Overall, I think it's a super cute, sophisticated light jacket that I will be wearing throughout winter and fall. By the way, before I go forward, I'm going to link all of these down below as well as the website if you guys want to check it out. So far, so good. The material and the quality seems really up there, and this is similar prices to other brands like Zara, so be on the lookout for this. Alright, the next item that I received comes with a belt, which is actually really cute like on its own. You could probably wear it with other outfits. And this is what the skirt, oh actually it's a skirt, my bad. This is what the skirt looks like. It's a high-waisted skirt, but there's shorts underneath, so I guess it's like a skirt. But I love the ruching details at the waist. I think that is so cute. I'm gonna go try it on and see how I like it. I am so sad that this one did not work for me. I ordered a size large and it was still too short and tight. I am 6 feet tall, but this did not work for my body. I thought a jacket would make it look better, but it's just not working. And we're at the last item already. Oh my gosh, so I ordered faux leather trousers. It comes with its own belt, of course. This is very cute, like on its own. These are the faux leather trousers, I should say. They're a bit on the baggier side. I did buy the Zara trousers that kind of look like this, and they didn't offer any stretch. Like they weren't comfortable to wear. So I hope these are comfortable and easy to wear. They are also high-waisted, which I love. The Zara ones were not high-waisted and I didn't like that. So I personally only like to wear high-waisted things, and it comes with the belt. So it kind of has like this rock and roll edge to it. And for these, I ordered a size large. I hope they fit. They're really cute. But yeah, I'm gonna try these on and share with you my thoughts. I am loving the leather trousers. They fit really good. I love the high waist design. They are a bit baggier. I do find though that the Jing bottoms run a little bit small. However, can we talk how cute this outfit is with the blazer? Obsessed. My whole outfit here is Jing except the shoes. So if you are looking for a new brand to check out, be sure to look up Jing. Their stuff was so cute. Let me know what your favorite piece is in the comments down below. So those are my pieces that I got from Jing. Jing is a really cute, sophisticated style. If this style is up your alley, be sure to check them out online. They have really cute things and the price point is very reasonable, and they do offer sales. So I'm really impressed with the quality and the fabrics that they use. And yeah, I'm really excited to start styling them and wearing them in my wardrobe. Let me know what piece was your favorite. I'd love to know which one you liked the most. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. As always, I'll see you guys in the next one.